What is up, everyone? So 90 here with my first Marvel Avengers Alliance video. So today we're going to take a look at some new heroes that have come out in Marvel Avengers Alliance, and those two are the newest Spider-Man. It's Spider-Man 2099, I think that's his name, or at least I call him that. So he's in the original suit. He looks very cool. He's a scrapper with a low health, low defense, medium evasion, and decent stamina and good attack and accuracy. Just what a scrapper needs. He has future knowledge just like Kang, so a chance to preemptively counter enemy attacks. And holographic assistant, chance to analyze the battlefield with Leela, I think that's how you pronounce it. So applying waypoint to all enemies and mirror images to all allies. I like this holographic assistant, very good. And he has level 1 future webbing. One enemy for decent amount of damage, its ranged attack. Applies webbed, so reduces evasion, attacks do 20% less damage, and it cannot crit. And second application applies tangled, and third application binding webbed. And straining, losing stamina every round or when performing a hostile action or evasion, and this effect can be applied up to 3 times. What's the shock? So one enemy melee slashing and venom taking damage every turn, reduces attack, counts as poison for the other effects. Biofeedback deals bio damage every turn, small chance to lose turn, counts as stun and poison for action that affect those targets. And open wound, chance to apply ravage and up to 3 attacks avoiding. So the 2 debuffs that he applies in his 2 attacks are similar to Hulkbuster Iron Man, so straining and open wounds. So jam it, I think that's how you say it, jam it. I don't know, melee unarmed, one enemy, very nice damage. Blindsided, takes additional damage from counter and follow-up attacks. Flanked, single target attacks against this target going to follow-up attack. And your history, one enemy, exploits webbing, poison, hemorrhaging attack, and snared targets. So his 3 of his attacks basically set up his big hitting finisher. So it exploits webbing, so you can apply web with your future webbing. It applies poison, it exploits poison, but you can apply poison or envenomed with your what's the shock and snared target, bleeding and hemorrhaging attack with your level 2. So this is going to be a finisher. And jam it. So this thing can work with Spider-Man Noir with his follow-ups and counterattacks and interceptions and everything like that. And flanked, it can also work out with every spider. His team-ups can be every spider because of webbed. He can work well, especially with Spider-Man Noir, Rocket Raccoon, and Union Jack, because flanked and blindsided. So he looks pretty promising, and I think he's the best Spider-Man that has come out after the Spider-Girl and Spider-Gwen. So last 3 spiders, he's the best one. And we have a lockbox hero, not PvP, not Spec Ops, but daily tasks. Lockbox hero, Blaster Blizzard. So he's a blaster with decent health, attack, and accuracy, a low evasion, and defense and stamina are his biggest stats. He has Icing Up, grants cold reception each turn, cannot occur while burning. Ice Beam, one enemy, decent damage, range energy, ice, blood runs cold, chilled attacks, stun bleeding targets, that's good, and chilled. Crushed Ice, one enemy, decent damage, ranged ice, shield breaker, exposed, and bleeding. These two can make a combo. You apply bleeding and then you stun him. Arctic attack, grounded. The flying characters are no longer immune to ground attacks. Ignores most evasion effects, and ground attacks are guaranteed to be critical hits. Frozen cannot dodge and flank to all enemies. That's very good. Ice Eruption, deadly crits, one enemy. So one enemy ranged ground ice. So deals extra damage on critical hits, explodes bleeds, chill, and ground attack. So I see here he has combo with Ice Beam and Crushed Ice. His Arctic attack sets up his Disruption, 2 hits, flying targets, and 2 guaranteed crits. So he's similar like this Spider-Man 2099 because his first 3 abilities set up his level 9. But he's better because Ice Eruption hits all enemies. So it has deadly crits, deals extra damage on critical hits. So you can it's a ground attack, and grounded makes all ground attacks guaranteed crits. It also applies bleeds. He applies bleeds bleeding with his level 2, and exploits chill, of course, level 1, and ground attack. You can set it up with Arctic attacks. I bet he's going to do a lot of damage, and I think Hold Reception increases defense. I'm not sure. So they look pretty promising, and now there's one thing that I think is the biggest thing in this little updates. As you can see, there's a 5th agent slot. You must pay 64 gold for it. I'm on my way for about 50 days. If I farm up gold every day from the daily missions, I would be able to get this 5th slot. I will farm gold for it. I suggest you do too. It opens up entirety of opportunities and weapon setups that weren't able with 4 of these weapons. So I like this edition. And if you're wondering how do you get the log boxes for Blizzard, so Beat the Heart pre-season for 24 only. Complete the Beat Heart daily task and receive the log box reward. Collect ice boxes to log Blizzard, so you gain 5 each day. And I already completed half of this task to complete the daily mission, and I just have to complete 5 PvP battles. So that's how you get his log boxes. Let's just take a little bit of a look at them. So Icebox do not open until 9/11. 14 days left. They look pretty cool. So that's all for this Marvel Avengers Allinace video. So I'm Night Owl. So I'll make some more Marvel Avengers Allinace videos, and I'll make Team Fortress 2. Please like, comment, and subscribe.